staring me. See that one right there? He's death
He
staring.
ain't thinking about you.
He would. Oh, there's one right there.
What?
Then after they crossing, this goes also.
What up, world? Oh, look at Davion. He's scared.
Yeah, he's scared.
But we are out here. Just on a little nature walk.
Look at that one. That one's dancing.
It's funny. I've been out here almost all my life. And ain't never been to this side of the park.
Mommy, I see Goose Nicky.
Look, there's more over there. There's one. Is that one standing up on the stick?
No.
That's a real bird. It looks like a
He's standing still.
Oh, they were chasing us.
No, they ain't thinking about us right now.
That's like a. I don't know what type of bird that is. It's not a duck or a goose. I'm telling you that.
Is that a bird up there though?
Yeah, it's a bird.
I don't know, cause I can't tell. He being so still. I thought it was a piece of the wood. Y'all watch my back. Make sure they ain't running up on us.
They're not. No, they're like.
It's something.
That looks like a crocodile. It looks like his mouth is open. Maybe their poop is over there.
It's very pretty.
I know the train comes through here.
Oh, there's poop.
Well, it's back there.
I hope I ain't stepping it.
Just did.
Oh no, I almost did. I think I stepped on the flat dried up part.
Probably wasn't dried up. Yeah, that's a bird right there. It's not just wood. If you go back,
I don't know. He being mighty still.
No, he turned his
What's
head.
that? That bridge. Where's that go?
I think that's a train track. I don't know. Oh,
It goes
over
to
there.
Neverland.
No, it's called Never Ending Story.
What you know about Neverending Story?
Because apparently I've actually seen it. This boy and this horse came across. There's something in the water right there, and I don't know what it is.
It's probably a fish.
There's no shark going to be in
Ain't
this
gonna be no
small
shark up
pond.
Wait, a frog is in there.
That's a turtle.
Yeah.
There's
Where?
turtles right there.
A frog. Get it.
It's a turtle.
Ugh, don't get nothing.
I can't go over there. There's one right here too.
What, a turtle?
Yeah, it's right here.
Well, then that's what it is. The little ugly turtle.
I want to pick it up, pet it.
You better not. You probably think you got food. You better stop or he get out and try to peck your hand. Alright, Ellis World.
There's a whole bunch of turtles.
We're gonna call it a day.
Those two are fine.
We're gonna enjoy the rest of this little walk and then head back home.
There's one right here breathing.
Y'all say bye.
Look at Mom, you see all the stuff right here? That's all the turtles.
That was a sorry bye, wasn't it?
Is that a snapping turtle?